Hey there, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet for all things home design. I am so glad you are here today because we are stepping into something really special. Imagine a farmhouse home dressed for early summer, warm, breezy, and completely inviting. In this video, we are taking a full tour from the front porch to the garage, and I promise you will leave with ideas you can actually use. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You do not want to miss a single episode. And if you love farmhouse style as much as I do, drop a comment below and tell me your favorite room. Let us get into it. Before you even open the front door, the exterior of a farmhouse tells a story. Think white or soft cream board-and-batten siding, that classic vertical paneling that gives farmhouses their signature clean, structured look. Add dark window frames in charcoal or matte black for beautiful contrast. A wraparound porch with natural wood posts feels timeless. For early summer, hang a simple wreath of dried lavender or eucalyptus on the front door. Window boxes overflowing with white petunias and trailing greenery bring life to the facade. The key here is quiet confidence. Nothing overdone. Everything intentional. Your entryway sets the tone for everything inside. In farmhouse design, this space balances function and charm effortlessly. Start with a shiplap accent wall, that horizontally laid wood paneling that is practically the mascot of farmhouse interiors. Mount a row of iron hooks for coats and hats, and add a small wooden ledge underneath for keys and mail. A slim shoe cabinet in distressed white keeps things tidy without taking over. A cushioned bench with woven baskets underneath offers seating while putting on shoes. Finish with an antique framed mirror, a braided jute mat at the door, and a small potted herb on the shelf. Functional, beautiful, and so welcoming. This is the heart of the home, and in summer farmhouse style, it should feel like the most relaxing room you have ever sat in. Ground the space with wide plank oak flooring and a large chunky knit area rug in cream or oatmeal tones. A linen sofa in a soft white or warm beige anchors the room. Linen is breathable and light, perfect for summer. Layer in cotton throw pillows in sage green, dusty blue, and natural linen. A reclaimed wood coffee table with visible grain and knots adds authentic character. Open the windows. Hang breezy white curtains that catch the summer air, and place a vase of fresh sunflowers on a side table. Pure summer bliss. The farmhouse dining room celebrates togetherness with no fuss and lots of warmth. Choose a long, solid wood farm table, ideally with a slightly worn, whitewashed finish that feels lived in and loved. Pair it with mismatched wooden chairs or a mix of chairs and a bench along one side for that casual, collected look. For your early summer table decor, keep things fresh and natural. A linen table runner down the center, white ceramic plates, and simple mason jar vases with wildflowers or fresh herbs. Hang a statement chandelier above the table. Wrought iron or a wood bead pendant both work beautifully. Light a beeswax candle in the evening and this space transforms completely. A farmhouse kitchen is where heritage meets everyday living, and it should be both hardworking and gorgeous. Shaker-style cabinetry in soft white or sage green is your foundation. Clean lines, simple hardware in brushed brass or matte black. A farmhouse apron-front sink is a must, positioned under a window for that dreamy washing-up view. Your refrigerator should blend in, ideally panel-ready or in a classic stainless finish. The stove is your statement piece. A 6-burner range in cream or slate with cast iron grates feels absolutely right. On the counter, tuck in a small, compact coffee machine in matte black. Add open shelves with stacked white dishes, small ceramic crocks, and a trailing pothose plant. Timeless and totally functional. The family room in a farmhouse home is where everyone actually lives. Built around a large flat-screen TV mounted above a shiplap feature wall or a rail stone fireplace, this room is designed for pure comfort. Use a deep-seated sectional sofa in a durable, washable fabric. A warm grayish or soft charcoal works beautifully. Layer with chunky knit throws and oversized pillows for that sink-in feeling. Add a large wooden media console below the TV with woven basket drawers to hide remotes, cords, and game controllers. A worn leather ottoman doubles as a coffee table and extra seating. Keep the color palette calm so the space feels like a retreat after a long summer day. Every modern home needs a functional workspace, and in a farmhouse, we make it beautiful too. Tuck a small wooden desk into an alcove or corner, something with character, like a vintage roll top or a simple plank desk on hairpin legs. On the desk, place a unique small analog desk watch in a leather or brass finish, a tiny but meaningful detail that grounds the space. A compact vintage-style radio adds charm and keeps the atmosphere light while you work. Hang floating shelves above for books, a small succulent, and a framed quote. Layer the desk chair with a linen cushion. This space whispers quiet productivity without feeling corporate or cold. If there is one thing a farmhouse home does exceptionally well, it is creating spaces for slow living, and a reading nook is the perfect expression of that. Find a sunny corner near a window and install a built-in bench with deep cushions in a ticking stripe or floral linen fabric. Add storage drawers underneath for extra blankets and books. Flank the bench with tall, open bookshelves in natural wood. Hang a simple pendant light above for evening reading. A small side table holds a cup of herbal tea and your current book. Drape a lightweight cotton blanket over the arm of the bench. In summer, leave the window cracked so you read to the sound of birdsong. Absolute perfection. Your farmhouse bedroom should feel like a countryside inn, serene, soft, and beautifully simple. Start with a statement bed. A white-painted wooden bed frame or a natural rattan headboard both capture that casual elegance. Layer the bed with white cotton percale sheets, a linen duvet in oatmeal or soft sage, and stacked Euro pillows for a luxurious plump look. Keep nightstands simple. Small wooden tables or metal hairpin leg designs with a ceramic lamp and a small stack of books. Hang linen curtains that pull slightly on the floor for an effortlessly romantic touch. Add a woven seagrass rug under the bed to warm up wood floors. This room breathes calm from every corner. Even the bathroom deserves a farmhouse moment, and done well it becomes one of the most peaceful rooms in the house. For the shower, think white subway tile with dark grout lines, classic, clean, and timeless. A rainfall showerhead in matte black adds a luxurious touch. At the vanity, choose a vessel sink or an undermount basin in white ceramic atop a reclaimed wood or shaker-style cabinet. Swap out standard faucets for cross-handle fixtures in brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze. Add open shelves with rolled linen towels, a small succulent, and a few glass apothecary jars filled with cotton rounds or bath salts. Hang a framed botanical print on the wall. Simple, spa-inspired, and so farmhouse. Your garage does not have to be an afterthought. In farmhouse design, even utility spaces have personality. Carriage-style garage doors with black iron hardware are the ultimate farmhouse exterior detail and make a huge visual impact from the street. Inside, use open wood shelving along the walls for organized storage of tools, baskets, and seasonal items. A pegboard painted white gives you a flexible system for hanging tools with a clean, intentional look. Label baskets with chalkboard tags for a touch of charm. Keep the floors sealed and clean. If space allows, a small potting bench near the side door makes for a lovely transitional spot between the garage and garden. Purposeful and polished. The farmhouse patio is essentially an outdoor living room, and in early summer, it is where the magic truly happens. Start with a large wooden dining table and mix and match chairs for relaxed outdoor entertaining. Layer a woven outdoor rug underneath to define the space and add softness. String Edison bulb lights overhead on a simple wooden pergola or between posts, The warm golden glow at dusk is absolutely enchanting. Add potted lavender, rosemary, and white geraniums in terracotta pots along the edges. A classic farmhouse lantern with a pillar candle anchors the tabletop. Keep a basket of lightweight throws nearby for when the evening breeze picks up. This is summer living at its finest. Color is one of the most powerful tools in interior design, and in farmhouse style, the palette does quiet, beautiful work. Think warm whites, creamy ivories, soft linen, dusty sage, muted blue-gray, and warm caramel tones. These are what designers call an analogous palette, colors that sit close together on the spectrum and naturally harmonize. For early summer, introduce soft sage green and pale dusty blue as accent colors through pillows, throws, and small decor pieces. Avoid anything too bright or saturated. The goal is serene, not stimulating. When in doubt, look to nature. The colors of wheat fields, wooden barns, and wildflower meadows are your best guide for getting this palette exactly right. In farmhouse design, furniture is chosen for character as much as function. Look for solid wood pieces with visible grain, knots, and natural imperfections. These are signs of quality, not flaws. Avoid anything too glossy or modern. Distressed finishes, whitewashed wood, and pieces that look like they have been passed down through generations are exactly what you want. Mix materials, a wood dining table with metal chairs, a linen sofa with a leather accent chair. Shop at antique markets, thrift stores, and estate sales. Some of the best farmhouse finds are pieces with a real history. The design term for this intentional mixing is called eclectic layering, and it is what makes farmhouse interiors feel collected rather than purchased all at once. Accessories in farmhouse design are what take a room from nice to genuinely memorable. Think in textures, woven baskets, ceramic vases, iron candle holders, wooden trays, and linen napkins. Layer them thoughtfully. A styled vignette on a console table might include a vintage clock, a stack of books, a small ceramic jug of wildflowers, and a single pillar candle. Avoid cluttering surfaces. Farmhouse styling is more about curation than collection. For summer specifically, bring in natural elements. A bowl of lemons on the kitchen counter, a jar of fresh herbs on the windowsill, or a bundle of dried wheat in a tall woven vase. Each small detail contributes to the warm, grounded feeling that defines this style. One of the most beautiful things about farmhouse design is that it actually rewards budget decorating. Worn, vintage, and imperfect pieces are celebrated here, not hidden. Start with what you have. Paint an old side table in chalk paint for an instant farmhouse update. Swap out cabinet hardware for simple iron or brass pulls, a small investment with a huge impact. Shop secondhand stores and flea markets for ceramic pieces, wooden frames, and woven baskets. Make your own decor, a bundle of eucalyptus tied with twine, a mason jar filled with cotton stems, or a framed piece of linen with a simple embroidered quote. Farmhouse style is fundamentally about resourcefulness and creativity, qualities that cost nothing at all. Seasonal decorating is one of the great joys of having a farmhouse-inspired home, and early summer is one of the most beautiful transitions to celebrate. Swap out heavier winter textiles, wool throws and velvet pillows, for breezy linen, cotton, and light wrought tan. Bring in fresh flowers weekly. Sunflowers, white daisies, lavender, and hydrangeas are all perfectly in season. Move your dining table close to an open window or door so every meal comes with a summer breeze. Add a small potted herb garden on the kitchen windowsill. Basil, mint, and thyme are practical and beautifully fragrant. Layer outdoor elements indoors. A wooden bowl of pine cones, a terracotta pot, a small lemon tree. Let the season lead, and your home will feel effortlessly alive. Now let us bring it all together. A well-designed farmhouse home flows naturally from space to space, with each room connected by a consistent thread of warmth, simplicity, and natural materials. Start with your palette, whites, creams, and earthy tones, and carry it through every room. Choose furniture with character and age gracefully. Layer in textures through rugs, textiles, and accessories. Add natural elements in every room, from fresh herbs to wooden bowls. Let light in wherever possible. Sheer curtains, open windows, mirrors to reflect the sunshine. And most importantly, design for living. Every piece in your home should earn its place by being either beautiful, useful, or both. That is the true spirit of farmhouse design. And that, my friends, is your complete early summer farmhouse tour, from the front facade all the way to the patio and every beautiful room in between. I hope this video has filled you with ideas, inspired a few small changes, and reminded you that your home can always feel a little more like a sanctuary. If you found value here today, please give this video a thumbs up. It genuinely means so much and helps this channel reach more home design lovers just like you. Drop a comment below and tell me, which room was your favorite? I read every single one. And if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community here at the Daily House Ideas. New videos every week, full of warmth, ideas, and inspiration just for you. Until next time, happy decorating and take good care of your beautiful home.